Hello, guys. Good day, and once again, I'm still here with you. We're going to continue with our finance and account accounting tools. So we did the cash book, which will help us to do our expenses and our income tracking. Now, the next tool we're going to look at is a receipt and invoice book. We all know very well that in today's world, every business that you transact, to make it look legitimate and genuine, everyone or clients or customers will want to have something to prove that they have made payment. Now, to make things much easier, to avoid going through the stress of going to design a whole receipt, business centers and all that to print, I'm not against that, but we are targeting how to use digital tools. We can design a digital one using apps, easy and simple. So as usual, we go to our app store or play store to look for an app called quick receipt. So we type in quick receipt. All right, so once again, if you do not have the app, then you have to go, you will see an install sign here. Okay, but if you do have the app, then it will just open. But I know most of us don't have the app, so of course we have to download and install it. Now when the installation is done, when you open the app, this is what you're going to see on your screen. They say what? Create an account, or I would like to sign up later. Okay, so because we'll be using it for either as business or brand, it's very important that we create an account so that we will put more features. If you do not create an account, you will be like a guest user and you will not be able to enjoy all the features. So let's create an account. So click on create an account. Then you create an account as a business owner. Of course, you are going to issue the receipt, so we'll focus on that. I'll click on business owner. Then we'll go to continue. Then we come to business name. So what's your business name? So I put my business name is what? Tech Savvy. So Tech Savvy Africa. Email address info dot tech savvy africa at gmail.com. Now your country, my country is Ghana, so I change my code to Ghana. Then I put the number there, 0500788346. You put your password. Okay, so let's just put a password there. We re-enter. Then we'll go to continue. Okay, I'm told my password did not match, so let's do it